Welcome back to Luxury Ride, the place where true car lovers and off-road enthusiasts get the latest on new models, fresh redesigns, and the best vehicles coming down the pipeline. If you enjoy smart, honest reviews and detailed automotive breakdowns, make sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Today we're talking about a true legend, the Toyota 4Runner. And for 2025, Toyota has finally given this fan-favorite SUV the major redesign it's long deserved. After more than a decade riding on the same platform, the all-new 2025 Toyota 4Runner is here, and it's combining rugged tradition with modern technology in the most exciting way possible. Let's start with the basics. The 2025 4Runner rides on Toyota's TNGA-F platform, which is the same body-on-frame architecture used by the new Tundra, Tacoma, and Land Cruiser. This upgrade alone brings massive improvements in ride quality, handling, and structural strength. The new frame is lighter, stiffer, and better equipped for both off-roading and daily driving, offering the perfect balance of durability and comfort. In terms of design, the new 4Runner retains its boxy, adventure-ready silhouette but introduces sharper edges, more aggressive lines, and a more refined overall appearance. The front end features a bold new grille, updated LED headlights, and a tougher stance. From the side, the squared wheel arches and high ground clearance screen capability, while the rear end keeps things clean with redesigned taillights and a more modern bumper design. Under the hood, Toyota has retired the old 4.0-liter V6 and introduced a new powertrain lineup. The standard engine is now a turbocharged 2.4-liter four-cylinder, similar to what's found in the new Tacoma. It makes around 278 horsepower and 317 lb-ft of torque, more than enough for serious trail work and highway cruising. But for those wanting more muscle, there's the iForce Max hybrid option. This powertrain pairs the turbo four-cylinder with an electric motor, delivering an impressive 326 horsepower and 465 lb-ft of torque. That's more power than any previous 4Runner and gives the 2025 model better acceleration and towing capability than ever before. Off-road enthusiasts will be thrilled with the variety of trims and features Toyota is offering. The 4Runner TRD Off-Road, TRD Pro, and the all-new Trailhunter variant are ready to hit the dirt straight from the factory. You'll get available features like locking rear differentials, multi-terrain select, crawl control, skid plates, upgraded shocks, and all-terrain tires. The Trailhunter trim, in particular, is a new overlanding-focused model that includes unique bumpers, recovery points, and a factory lift. Inside, the 2025 4Runner finally gets the tech upgrade it's needed for years. A massive 14-inch touchscreen is available, running Toyota's latest infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The driver also gets a digital gauge cluster, and higher trims include features like a panoramic moonroof, leather seats, heated and ventilated front seats, and a JBL sound system. The second and optional third-row seats offer decent space, making this SUV great for both families and adventurers. Toyota hasn't skimped on safety either. The 2025 4Runner comes with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 standard, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and more. These systems help make the 4Runner safer and more comfortable whether you're navigating tight trails or cruising the freeway. The 2025 Toyota 4Runner is shaping up to be one of the most capable, well-rounded midsize SUVs on the market. It respects the rugged heritage that made the 4Runner a household name, while finally embracing the modern upgrades that make it more competitive than ever. Whether you're heading into the mountains or commuting to work, this SUV is built to handle it all. Thanks for watching my channel. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the world of new cars and trucks. Until next time, keep exploring.